Hey, my name is Dennis. I'm the author of Chromatone.center, the website where we have the visual music theory and the language to visually talk to each other about music. It's called Chromatone. It's about color and sound merged together, and there are some very nice algorithms to analyze audio and detect the features that help visualize music and any sound actually, and make it really fun and interesting. So I have my developer environment here, and the audio from the microphone is going into this visualization, and it shows all the notes, not the only main ones, but all the harmonics. But it may be quite clear like this. Ah, 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 oh. You see, we can have the note, the exact note, the red one, the yellow one, the C, the D, the E, the F. So this is scientifically approved scheme of notes. And yeah, and today I've just added some nice new touch to this page, and I want to share with you the mechanics of it. So these are the circles that react to the audio, and they are just vector images like circles. They have the transform, the scale variable, and it depends on yeah, like this, on the amount of this node. And every node has a radius, and it may have some other parameters. And yeah, we can control the radius from now. It's not yet published to the main page, but it's going there. It's gonna be published very soon, maybe in 2 minutes. And these controls make you control the radius of these circles. So, oh, there's so much. It's so chaotic, but give it a clean note like you see, these are the colors, but these are huge circles. But what if we can have a blur on them? And let's see, yes, we can have the blur here. We can bind to the filter, and filter will be based on the blur, and we can control the blur parameter here. And let's see how this works. Whoa, interesting, yeah? So like this, it's I want to see. This is the northern lights, yeah, like the northern lights that are shining and that show the notes. Ooh. And yeah, imagine if the blur is bigger and the radius is bigger. So these are the lights, the active, the interactive lights, like oh. So like one note creates some interesting patterns, but many notes may create some very nice color compositions, and we can adjust these parameters to have the scene working for us. For now, we'll have the controls on the full screen active, but soon I will move them away, so the full screen will have the full screen effect of the blurred colors, of blurred simple yet powerful visualizations of the sound. So stay tuned. I will try to make the updates as now. So small updates, make a video, share it, tell me in the comments if you want more code side of it, how it's built inside, or the musical part, the music analysis, the music theory part, if you want to know more about the more you know deeper music theory concepts with the colors, with the analysis, and with all the tools that are here. There are many tools, plenty of them. So yeah, stay tuned, and I'm here for more. See ya. Bye.